Dogecoin cost commonly equivalent to $0.0689 a coin, or so they thought. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0683, 0.0698, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0687 in an unobtrusive way. The change was plus 0.0002, plus 0.29%. Really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Doge, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.068, certainly most extreme 0.073, truly least 0.063 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, July 21, cost $0.068, genuinely most extreme 0.073, least 0.063 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $0.066, beautiful greatest 0.071, certainly least 0.061 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.069, greatest 0.074, exceptionally least 0.064. In multi-week. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.067, genuinely greatest 0.072, especially least 0.062, which really is very huge. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.073, especially greatest 0.078, least 0.068 in a huge way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $0.073, kind of greatest 0.078, by and large least 0.068, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Monday, July 31, cost $0.073, kind of greatest 0.078, by and large least 0.068, or so they most certainly thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.073, genuinely greatest 0.078, kind of least 0.068 in an exceptionally huge manner. In about 14 days. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.073, kind of greatest 0.078, fundamentally least 0.068 in an essentially enormous way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.073, greatest 0.078, especially least 0.068, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $0.074, greatest 0.079, least 0.069, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.072 in every practical sense. Most extreme 0.077, truly least 0.067, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.070, most extreme 0.075, least 0.065, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.071, essentially greatest 0.076, genuinely least 0.066, or so they fundamentally thought. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.071, most certainly greatest 0.076, least 0.066 in a significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.070 in every practical sense. Most extreme 0.075, genuinely least 0.065, exhibiting that. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $0.073, lovely greatest 0.078 in every practical sense, least 0.068, or so they by and large thought. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $0.072, extremely greatest 0.077, certainly least 0.067, showing how. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.072, exceptionally greatest 0.077 in every practical sense, least 0.067 in a very large way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.075 in every practical sense, most extreme $0.080, especially least $0.070, so Dogecoin figure on Friday, July 21, cost $0.068, kind of greatest $0.073, truly least $0.063, or so they in a real sense thought. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.076, most certainly greatest $0.081, by and large least $0.071, which truly shows that Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.073 in every practical sense, greatest $0.078, exceptionally least $0.068 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.072 in every way that really matters, most extreme $0.077, by and large least $0.067, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, August 18, cost $0.073, essentially most extreme $0.078, least $0.068, which sort of shows that Dogecoin figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.071, genuinely greatest $0.076, least $0.066, or so they in every practical sense thought. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge conversion standard in every practical sense, equivalent to 14.5138 coins per $1 in a genuinely large manner. Today's reach, 14.3225 14.6370 in a very significant way. The past day's nearby, 14.5624, which truly is very critical. Change for now 0.0486, 0.33%. Which for the most part is very huge. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, July 20, cost 14.706 coins, most extreme 15.873, really least 13.699, so Dogecoin gauge on Friday, July 21, cost $0.068, fundamentally greatest $0.073, essentially least $0.063, which is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 14.706 coins, essentially most extreme 15.873 in every practical sense, least 13.699, further appearance how Dogecoin gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $0.074, really greatest $0.079, genuinely least $0.069 amazingly. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, July 24, cost 15.15